So now we are going to do something called a French knot. It's a little bit trickier, but it is quite common in kits, and I think once you do it you'll like it. So you come up anywhere, pull tight, then we're going to take the string, hold it quite taut, wind it 2 times around the fabric, go down right next to the hole came up out of, making a tiny little knot that sits on the surface. Come up, pull tight, twist round twice, next to the place where you came up, go down, pull tight. See, that's going to go on there. I'm going to zoom in a little bit closer for you. Come up, twist around. Now you can do more than 2 twists. It's not really recommended. If you want a bigger knot, it's better to probably use more threads, like 3 or 4 perhaps. So it's quite common that your knot will disappear. If you find your knot disappearing, try not to go through the hole that you came out of. Real close. Oops. I'm just going to move you back up again. I do a few more of these. These you will find in a lot of flower designs. They are really good for the center of flowers. You can do them spaced out like I have here, which gives one effect, or this often happens, you get a core on there. Do them in a little cluster, so let's have a look at that now. Need quite a bit of thread to be able to do this one. I have to admit, when I was doing these, when I was learning to embroider when I was a teenager, did it for art textiles, GCSE, I hated French knots, could not do them, they were always disappearing. Now I do kind of love French knots, and I don't know how, but somehow they don't often disappear. They sometimes disappear, don't often disappear. Okay, so you do need a lot of thread with these. You need to be able to like keep it taut. So you can tell this would look good as the centre of a flower or something. Or stars on a dark background, little white stars in the sky.